Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So last week we came in and we tried to get the 454 started. However, it just didn't want to fire over. So now that's what we're going to try and figure out. We have gotten a radiator hose. We're actually going to start by filling it up with some coolant. So we have everything hooked up there and we just need to figure out why it's not firing. So maybe it's an issue that I don't have any EGR stuff hooked up anymore, or we just got to figure it out. So let's go ahead, start jumping in, add the coolant, start adding stuff to the truck, and make sure it's all filled up and ready to go. So when it does kick over, it don't blow up. So let's go grab some coolant. All right, so all the fluids are in where they need to go. Power steering fluid in, coolant, transmission fluid. So now we're going to start trying to get this thing to turn over. So let's go ahead and start hooking. I want to put a battery jump pack on it just so that I make sure that I have enough power to this thing to keep it going. So we're going to override it, make sure that it has enough power, which I know it does. And now we're going to try and start it. So we're 2 for 2. Both trucks, both engines, both 180 degrees off, at least. So we have spun the distributor around where it's supposed to go, according to the pictures that we have when we took it off, instead of what I thought it should be. Probably should have paid attention and looked at some pictures. So what we're going to do now is we are going to see if we can get this thing started for the very first time and not shoot flames like we did earlier. So let's go ahead, see if we can turn that key. Say, two. Right there. All right, so officially we have everything installed where it needs to go, minus the distributor hold down, which I'm going to start trying to do timing a little bit while the thing is running. So let's go ahead and see if I can get this thing kicked over. So let me go get the jump box and we'll try and get it started. All right, so still something is not quite right, and unfortunately I can't keep trying the engine right now as we don't have a battery. The battery is dead. So I have it charging, and I have my jump box charging. I think once I get it running again, the alternator will charge it up, and I won't have any issues, but we need to get it started. So that's a big deal. First and foremost, we had the distributor cap 180 degrees off. That's corrected now. I am missing the distributor cap bolt now. That has decided to yeet itself somewhere underneath the truck, and I can't find it. So I have more on the way. That's fine. We'll have those next week, but this is a failure. I owe Uncle Al $1 now. So today is a week and a half before Christmas. However, this video comes out before Christmas, and I promised him I'd have it running and driving before Christmas. So unfortunately, today was the day. If I didn't get it started and driving, I failed. So we're failures. I am a failure. Actually, I am, not you guys. I am a failure. So is what it is. So I think what we need is just more battery power to get it started. I just realized a little bit of the wires were crossed, so that's why I didn't want to start there. So we just need a little bit more battery power to get this thing off its feet and started. So it is going to be loud right out of the gate because it is right out of the headers. I didn't hook up any exhaust. I'm going to have PCV hose next week, have that hooked up. I have a block off plate on the way for the EGR. So we have a lot of things coming. We are going to have to get this thing tuned, and we have other things coming to it. We have to get the whole front end together. We have a lot of stuff to do before this thing is ready to be driving down the road consistently. So we still have the C10 outside that runs consistently. We're really happy with that. But we got to figure out what's going on here. Maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. So, yeah, we have everything hooked up like it's supposed to be. We have spark at the coil now. Now that I have all those rearranged and in the right spot now, hopefully we can get it started. But that's a job for next week. We'll see you guys then when we continue trying to get this thing started. So we'll see you then.